Right, so I'm just currently rushing to buy a new MacBook. Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple, announced a huge price rise 3 days ago, because of the increase in the cost of RAM and storage and memory. I'm hoping to get there just in time to get it before the pre-price rise. Okay, so that was me metaphorically running yesterday to get the latest deals on the Apple products after their story about price rises. So you probably heard about Ramageddon, where AI is taking up all of the supplies of RAM and memory and storage, forcing the prices up, forcing short supplies of all those products. So at the moment, Apple have kept their pricing down to the prices they've always supplied their equipment at. But recently, Tim Cook has said that, sorry, but we're having to force our prices up. So the reasons why Apple have been able to maintain cheap prices are that historically their prices have always been higher than most bolt-ons for RAM and storage. Traditionally, if you wanted to move from, say, 8 gigabytes of RAM to 16, it'll be £200. If you want to move from 256 gigabyte storage to 512, it would have been another 200. So traditionally, the prices were always a lot higher. But now, Apple's reduced a lot of their base models, brought more, got more mid-range, and they forced their prices up quite a bit. The lowest price device they had was $799, which is 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 storage on the Mac Mini. So I'm taking an example of a device. They've obviously got many products. That was $799. That is now $999. If you look around at various suppliers, you can try and get the prices a bit cheaper. So Friday night I stayed up to about Friday. I was looking at purchasing an Apple product. I'll tell you about that product at the end of the video. So I was looking around. I secured quite a good price, but should I get it or not? Apple made their announcement about rising prices on their products. I looked again later on. That price had gone up by about £150. It's all British pounds I'm talking about in this instance. And also any prices I talk about, their history, because they would have changed from producing this video to actually making it public. So when I looked later on Friday, the price had gone up, and I was able to secure another price, and then potentially get a price match on that as well. So it wasn't until Saturday that I actually picked the item up. I'm never going to be sure I was going to get the item, because the prices were changing, the stock was disappearing, and I half expected to get to the pickup point and they say, sorry, but the database is wrong, it's not actually there on the shelf. So the item I actually purchased, I did a lot of research on this, and I can talk about that in another video on my reasons for buying this product. I purchased a MacBook Air, 16 gigabyte, 15-inch screen, 512 gigabyte storage, in silver. Again, I'll tell you in another video why I made that choice. It's based on a lot of research and study. So I've actually got the item now. I've purchased it pre-price hikes, but there are still deals out there, and I think I'll do a quick video again as soon as possible just to say where you can find these last items. Now I'm in a park, and I keep looking around me because you never know if you're going to get mugged. It's a nice park. I'm not saying there's muggers here, but I got my bike there. I think you can see it there. Yeah, saddlebag full of camera equipment. I'm using the Pocket 3 at the moment, DJI Pocket 3, Osmo Pocket 3, if anybody wants to know. All set on auto at the moment. So I'll take this video into post. I'm going to keep looking around because I had somebody back there actually come and set up a blanket next to me and lie in the shade. So it's a really beautiful day. We're in the UK. I didn't say that. I'm in the UK. Obviously, I'm talking about British pounds. We're going for a massive heat wave, as are a lot of areas around the world at the moment, especially Europe, hitting temperatures. We've hit our highest temperatures ever in June of 37.6 degrees. So, yeah, quite a hot one. And apparently most people say it's unbearable in the UK with heat because of the humidity you get with it as well. Right, so I'll sign off here. I don't want to keep rambling. I'll try and get a next video to you as soon as possible. This is an unusual first video, but I just wanted to say that if you think about purchasing computer equipment, do your research to make sure you buy the right thing, and then look at the pricing, everywhere, try price matching. If you've got a relative who's in education, then also look at the educational discounts. But sometimes the educational discounts are not as good as what you can buy it from some retailers, so bear that in mind. Also look at some retailers that might do extended guarantees. For example, John Lewis does. So I'll leave you there at the moment.